right to deer. Got that ground out. 40mm helibars in there for the cross stitching. A little bits of pointing all the way up there. Some bricks to change. These are the helibars. We're putting these in tracks. I've had people asking us about these when I mentioned cross stitching. This is what they are. Basically, the helibar in there like that. But you put a bead of silicone, well not silicone, you put a bead of the resin in there first, then you push that in, and then another bead over the top, and then repoint once it's dried out. But the helibars are 1 metre long, and you take a 500mm across the cross joint that way. So you always put 1 metre in. Don't cut corners, putting short bits in.
Nice and warm, being on the radiator all night.
Right.
Insurance approved angle rest for helibars.
Keep it warm so it comes out the tube easier.
Go all over this. Lovely. What would be nice if Santa brought us a battery operated one of these guns for Christmas.
That's what we need.
Put 20 in, and then get one, and then.
Right, we'll let that cure. The gan's off quick. And then we'll get another bead over the top of that, and then repoint it. And we'll put them in every 4 course, which is 300mm.
Yep, just out.
So we'll try and work quick with the resin, like, because it doesn't.
I called it.
Put some right pop into there. So good. Right, and stop recording now. That's crack stitching done. Right, helibars in, all done for the day. All the way up to there. All the way up to the top. And then one shift up is there. And that's the day for finalizing the day.
It's a short part out of the day, the helibars of the day. So he's learning the job the day. He's on the helibars. He's picking it up alright, like he's not too bad. He's putting the resin in, now he's putting the stainless steel helibar in. Happy tears.